Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. October 17, variant 43, question number 8. And in worksheet question number 12, there are, topic is coordinate geometry. Okay, there are two lines given. There are line A and line B. You can see. First question is asking both gradients. So let's find both gradients. Okay. So this equation, whenever we need gradients, so we need to convert in this form. Y is equal to mx plus c. And here I need always plus 1, not even minus 1. I said plus 1. So luckily this is plus 1 we have. So no need to reshape it, and formula comparison. Y match, M match, so 5, X and C. So I can say that gradient for the line A, the gradient of line A is very simple, 5. So clear. But for line number 2, line number B, I have to work out. It is not in that form. So try to take a subject. So 3x goes on other end. It will look like this. Now this 2 is not required to divide whole equation. Like 2 divide here, 2 divide here, and 2 divide here. And I am getting here minus 3 by 2x and plus 9. This is called y-intercept, 9. And this is called gradient. So I can see here, gradient is so simple. So gradient of the line B. So gradient of the line B is minus 3 by 2 or minus 1.5. Clear? Line A crosses the x-axis. Line A crosses x-axis. X-axis, all of you know, when line crosses the x-axis, there are two things are there. Here x-axis, at this point y0, and here y-axis, here always x0. So I will put here y0. When I put y0 in the first line, so 0 equal to 5x minus 4. 4 goes on this end, 5x by divide. I got a 4 by 5, or you can say 0.8. Into 2, we got a 0.8. That's it. So answer is coming, x is 0.8 and y becomes 0. Okay, that's it. Come on this question. Equation of perpendicular to the line A, like a line A is here, and perpendicular, but this one. So example, this is a positive gradient, so positive gradient always like this. Let's say this is a line A, this is a line A. So line A, sorry, this line A. And this is a line perpendicular, 90 degree. You can see here, and this is my question, and passes through 10, 9. And it's not a hard job. You know when lines are perpendicular, the gradients are negative reciprocal. So line A has a gradient is a 5 only. So line, I'm saying this A stand for line A gradient is a 5, and line P for perpendicular is minus 1 over 5. Flip and change the sign. So now I'm solving y is equal to mx plus c. This value here replace minus 1 by this. In the place of xy, took this one. So 9 will go here and 10 will come in the place of this one. So solve for it. I got this minus 2. There's a minus 2 and this 2 comes here. So 9 plus 2 and c becomes 11. So answer is y is equal to mx plus c. So c. So m is what? Minus 1 by 5. And c is 11. That's it. My answer is over. Let's talk about the intersection of the two lines and solve them simultaneously. Two ways we have: elimination method or substitution method. I can do any way. So I think substitution is easier. You know why? Because it's ready-made y value. This y value I am going to replace here. So let's start. So 3y, I'm writing here. So 3x plus 2 times 2y equal to 18. So in the place of this y, I will copy the whole thing. So 5x and minus 4. 3x, 2 5s are 10x, and 2 4s are minus 8 equal to 18. Here I got 13x, 8 goes there. I got 26, and x becomes 2. So this is clear. Now I got an x, but I need y as well. So replace this to any one equation you like, any one. I put it here. When I put it here, so y is equal to what? 5 times 2x minus 4, 10 minus over 6. So alhamdulillah, so point section is 2, 6. We are both lying in the 6. Let's talk about the last and harder part. Okay, this diagram, without diagram we can't do it. And you know way how I do it. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a rough diagram. I'm going to make it. So positive gradient 5, positive, and all of you know it. I just helped you. These lines they have positive gradient. These lines they have negative gradient. Okay. So positive gradient cutting at -4. Positive gradient cutting at -4. I think so without any tension. This is -4, and because rough diagram, so no care about it. And look, your line could be here, 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 no issue. Clear. Line number A is done. This is line number A. Line B, you see here, see here. It has negative gradient and Y positive. Positive 9, positive. So understood this way. This is a 9, confirmed 9. So how you know, sir? Because mentioned here, and I think clear. And this point is understood. This point is here. 2,6. You know how you know, sir? Because both lines are intersecting at one point. And if I ask you, what is a gap from here till there? She said 13, sir. How 13? So this gap from here to here is 9 and this 4. And negative has no problem because for direction only. So this is a 4 and this 9 becomes 13. And my question, what does 2, 6 represent? The gap from here to here 2 and this is 6. Can I say this gap from here to here is 2? I think clear. I repeat again, so I think the game is over, and this is my triangle, and this is triangle, this is a 13, and this is a 2, and half into base into height. And base is a 13, base is 13, height is 2, Mabruk, 13 unit square is area. That's it. Once again, repeat. Because the hardest part is this one. So I just elaborate a little more. So if I have here 5, let's say 1,7. You know what this means? What this means? This is 1 and this is 7. So can I say 1 and 7? This is a very, very clear idea. This point is 1,7. So this is a 1. This 1. This 1. 1. 1. 1. Similarly, this is the 2 and 6. Can I say this gap is 2? Can I say this gap is 2? This gap is 2? And this height is 6 actually. It's not to scale diagram, that is why. So this is a scale, this 6. And this is 2, this is 2. This is called height, this is called base. See, base and height. And that's his question finished.